So I've got a defective circuit board in this motor carriage. The circuit board has a short in it, so I'm going to show how to replace it. It's very important that you power down the circuit board before you replace it, otherwise you could damage your new one. So ideally you should disconnect the cord from the receptacle. I don't have a ladder to reach that tall, so I'm actually just going to disconnect the rail from this circuit. So I'm just going to disconnect that there. Now the motor carriage is powered down, so I can replace the circuit board without, so I got to remove this dust plug. This is the limit switch, and then this is the Homelink card. I have to remove all of those three, and then I remove these. Ideally, you should take a photo of how this is wired just in case, to make sure you wire it correctly. But I'll show you how to make sure double sure that you wire it correctly. So remove all the wires. Next, this screwdriver. Remove this screw. Make sure you note which hole it's in. This is a Torx screw, also known as star bit. And then you've got to slide it out of the back so that you don't damage the hook. I'm going to take this screw out, put it in the same hole in my circuit board. So this is a 2060 motor carriage, which means the screw goes in the backmost hole. Actually, I'm not going to put it in until I have installed the motor carriage. So same thing in reverse. Slide this hook into the back end of the motor, put this screw in place, tighten it down. So now I reconnect this blue wire to this blue socket, which says limit. And then I have my green goes to GN. My red goes to RT. My black goes to SW. And my yellow goes to WS. Also important is the Homelink card, which reinstalls on this side like this. Stick it up into the motor carriage, align your pins and push it into place. And then my dust cover for the sensor in the back of the motor slides in like that. And then I'm going to go and reconnect my power here. So now, before this light was off because that circuit board had a short in it. Now this light is on because the circuit board does not have a short in it anymore.